In a quiet little town, there lived a man named Elias who never smiled. He walked through his days in silence, a heavy cloak of worry and regret wrapped around him. The townsfolk would whisper about him, calling him cold, unfriendly, even dangerous, but they didn't know his secret. Elias believed smiles were precious, something to be saved, not wasted on strangers. One evening, as dusk settled over the town square, a strange old woman appeared. She approached Elias, looked him straight in the eye, and smiled. It wasn't just any smile. It was a smile that seemed to hold a lifetime of memories, hopes, and forgiveness all at once. Elias, taken by surprise, found himself smiling back for the first time in years. It felt foreign, yet strangely familiar. The next morning, something unbelievable happened. As Elias went about his day, everyone he smiled at began to open up. The baker, who always seemed so jovial, admitted he was terrified of his business failing. The schoolteacher confessed a deep loneliness that haunted her after the final bell rang. Even the children, in their innocent way, shared secret acts of kindness they'd done for each other. His small, hesitant smile had somehow unlocked the hidden chambers of their hearts. Elias finally understood something profound. The world wasn't just full of strangers, it was full of people carrying invisible burdens, just like him, and a simple smile, offered without expectation, could be a tiny beacon of light in someone's personal darkness. From that day forward, he smiled at every person he met, not to change them, but to offer a silent acknowledgement, a message that said, "I see you, and you are not alone." Years later, when Elias passed away, the townspeople didn't mourn with sadness alone. They celebrated his legacy. In the center of the square, they erected a small statue of a man with a gentle, knowing smile. Beneath it, a simple plaque was engraved with a powerful truth. Sometimes all it takes is a smile to carry someone through the hardest day of their life. A smile is never wasted. It can lighten hearts, lift burdens, and build connections that words alone never could. Thank you so much for watching. If this story touched your heart, please like, share, and subscribe for more content that inspires. See you next time.